In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view an archived page in Confluence. Sometimes a page gets archived in Confluence and you suddenly realize you still need something from it. The good news is, as long as you have the right access, it's very simple to find and view those archived pages. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through the Confluence interface so you know exactly where to click and what to look for. First, open the Confluence space where the page was originally created. You'll need to be on any page within that space, or on the space overview. Once you're there, look toward the top right corner of the screen for the 3 vertical dots, often called the More Actions menu. This icon is easy to overlook, but it's the key to accessing the space settings. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. After you click the 3 dots, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, look for the option labeled Space Settings. Depending on your Confluence version and permissions, it might be near the middle or bottom of the list. Click on Space Settings to open the configuration area for that specific space. Keep in mind that if you don't see this option, you may not have the necessary permissions and you might need to ask a space admin for help. Once you're inside the space settings, you'll see a menu or tabs on the left-hand side or across the top, depending on your layout. Here, find and click on the section called Content. This section is where Confluence organizes different types of pages and content for that space, including regular pages, drafts, and archived items. Selecting Content will bring up a more detailed view of everything stored in that space. Within the content area, look for a tab or filter labeled Archived. This is specifically dedicated to pages that have been archived rather than deleted. Click on Archived and Confluence will display a list of all the archived pages for that space. From here, you can scroll through the list, search by title, and then click on any page you want to view. The page will open just like a normal Confluence page, allowing you to read its contents, copy information, or if you have the right permissions, restore it from the archive. And that's all you need to do to view archived pages in Confluence. Open the space, use the 3 dots to get to space settings, go into the content section, and then switch to the archived view.